Welcome back, art fam. I got a fun one for y'all today. We're going to draw the infamous grid in 1 point perspective. First, I'd like to show you this picture of farmland, and it's plowed farmland, so you can see the parallel lines and the vanishing point perfectly. You can see where the sky meets the ground. This is a really good example right here. Now I wanted to show you this cool exercise you can do to try to understand how objects interact on the horizon line. If you notice, all the blocks are parallel to the actual plane. You can see the vanishing point. They all land in the vanishing point. Understanding your horizon line. There are 3 different types of horizon lines you can do. The first one is a normal view of elevation, which means the sky and the ground, or the sea and the sky, will meet at the exact perfect level. So it's going to be directly in the middle. Everything's even. Number 2, a higher elevation of view. And this one will move the horizon line all the way up here so that you'll see more ground and less sky. And number 3, a lower view of elevation. We'll move the horizon line all the way down here. That way we see more sky and less ground. Okay, first we're going to start off with a vertical line to find the absolute middle. Then we're going to move on and do a horizontal line. This will be our horizon line. Next, we'll establish the vanishing point. Now we're going to do some diagonal lines. We're going to do that for both sides. And then once we get going, all right, there we go. Okay, so we're going to keep doing this on both sides, like all these diagonal lines, till we get to the very edge of the page. It'll be all over the panel. Go ahead and speed that up for you so it's not too boring. And next we're going to do our vertical lines. We're going to do vertical lines. I like to do them like an inch apart, so that gives me enough space, especially on a big size panel like this. If it were a smaller panel, I would do like probably half an inch, quarter inch. Now we're done with that, so we're going to do the horizontal lines. I started in the middle of the page because I wanted to get it perfect. Flip this over and then do the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be, nice and even. Alright, so I actually wanted to show you this panel again because you can see the grid here at the top. This is the same exact method that I used for this panel that I used for this panel. And notice the emphasis on the horizon line here. And I hope it helped everybody, and I hope it helps somebody because it helped me learning it. So I have another video coming soon on actually doing the buildings, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.